welcome to Disney Travel Day. We are so excited. We just made it through security, dropped our bags off, and now we are just waiting to get on the flight. So we're kind of waiting till the last minute to get on because nobody wants to just sit on the airplane for like longer than what you have to. So we're just sitting here waiting at an empty gate, and then we're gonna head on over. John already gate checked the stroller, and we're ready to go. We also have the car seat that we gate checked, and we are just ready to go, huh, Silas? Somebody has his backpack, he's so excited. Somebody's sleepy back there. I think he's gonna be taking a nice nap.
So?
Yeah. So we're on our way. We're going to stop at Publix first because, you know, that way we can just get some water to have on hand. Yellow, there he goes. I see him. You guys see him? Oh, he's going.
Back to Pittsburgh.
Back to Pittsburgh.
Very well might be to Pittsburgh.
Might be, yeah. Probably timed right. So yeah, we're going to drive on over and stop at a Publix on our way to Yacht Club because that's where we're staying the night. So, let's go.
You have to catch your breath.
Let's go. Let's get there. Well, I just hope our room's ready because I would love to be able to put our stuff in our room, but I don't think we're gonna be that lucky. We're never that lucky. Well. All right, so unfortunately, our room is not ready yet. So, can't get in, but we're just gonna walk in EPCOT because we're right here. So, that's why we love this resort, because you just take a few steps and you're in EPCOT. So, just have our stroller. You know, the necessities. Sad thing is we can't get into our owner's locker because, you know, it's with Bell Services right now and can't really get it until we have our room. So oh well, but we're gonna go get something to eat. And I was telling John this morning, I looked and the Food and Wine Festival started today, which I did not realize that it was gonna start today. I don't know if really anybody did, because honestly, it's kind of been hush hush about it, but I hope it's not too crowded since it did start today. We'll see. The same exact thing happened to us, huh?
We got a
same
little
exact
further
thing.
this time.
We got a little bit further, but we were walking into EPCOT and I got the text that the room's ready. We're so thankful. So now we're gonna go get our room, and then gonna get our owner's locker, get all of our stuff, and then we can like get changed and everything, and then head over to the parks. So, yay. Let's get in here. Woo, oh, it smells so good in here. Ooh, this is different from like when we were in our other room. We didn't have like kind of like the fun like pillows and stuff. It's different. All right, so we're in our room. So nice. Oh, here, I love doing this. Let's do the, I love it. I love the little animations. Isn't that so cute, Tess? Look, it says welcome Dixon family. So cute. All right, so got here, like I said, John's gonna get the luggages. I'm gonna call and get like our owner's locker. Somebody has to go pee-pee. Look at how cute the little Queen Minnie boat is. I think that's so adorable. I love the art in here. I'm not doing a room tour of this, but I will link down my previous room tour that I have done before at the Yacht Club so you can see. I think the only difference in this room is that it has 2 queen beds, not king beds. So just FYI, that is different in the video, but still really nice. We got a nice couch here, huh? Oh, look at that artwork. That's so cute. I don't know if they've added more artwork or if just the rooms were different, but I love it. I love all the artwork. So cute. There's Mickey. There's all like the nautical. So cool. And
turn off and press it turn on.
You're gonna turn it off and on? Unfortunately, we don't have a water view this time, but you know, take what we can get. It's fine. So I'm just happy that our room's ready. You wanna go out there? We're gonna wait for Daddy. All right, we're ready to go. We got changed. We're good. What do you say, gang?
Good.
Good. All right, he's ready to go. So yeah, now we're good to go. I feel better walking into EPCOT like this now that we're changed and, you know, kind of have our park closed. Although, I mean, I guess he was already ready no matter what. So, but he's not walking, he's riding. It's funny, most kids like want out of the stroller, but he wants to stay in the stroller. He's not a walker. Lately, yeah.
Right at the current moment, yeah.
Yeah, he's very needy. Very needy. So yeah, I'm gonna take our nice walk over. It's pretty warm. I think it's warm. So, Stormalong Bay is kind of looking pretty nice. Maybe take a dip. Maybe like once like we get some food.
We're getting our money's worth today because we had to buy him a ticket.
That's true, we did have to buy him a ticket. I mean, we could always go get some food, walk around a little bit, and then like go maybe come back and we could take a dip and we can head back out at night. You okay?
Yeah.
Okay, you were just looking at your thing. We ended up coming here and like we've never been here before, and then we came here and we loved it, so we wanted to come back again because we knew it was good food. Atlas is fed, he's happy. Now he has chosen, we kind of gave him a choice of whatever he wanted to do. He wanted to go through Moana, so we're gonna take him over there, let him walk through there. I think he's gonna feel really good. I have his water shoes that I packed, so that way he doesn't get his feet soaked in his tennis shoes, which is good. So gonna head over there. Maybe we'll see if he wants to do Nemo since we're right there too, and there's probably no wait. So that would be nice. And then that way we can just get in the air conditioning too, because it is hot. It is warm, very, very warm.
Great temperature for a cruise.
Yeah, perfect cruising weather. Not perfect park weather, we'll say that. So we're swerving again. We ended up just, we were gonna go to Moana, and then we were all saying how hot we are. So we're just gonna go back. We're gonna go swim for a little bit. We're gonna go to Stormalong Bay. So I think it'll be good. And then that way we can come back tonight and, you know, be cooled off. And oh, cheddar bacon soup in this like heat. Oh, could you imagine soup right now?
Do we fill it up now or fill it up later?
Later, we'll fill it up later. But yeah, so it's gonna feel good to hop in the pool. And then, like I said, we'll come back whenever it cools down tonight. I'm sure it's gonna be crazy, but I'd rather it be crowded and cooler than be hot right now and just bleh.
Right.
So let's go to the pool.
Yep. We fill up our waters.
Fill up our waters and just hang out. Say hi, Daisy. Hi. We love your outfit, Daisy. Oh, Chef Daisy, what are you cooking? Anything good? Yeah. Maybe some cookies, pies. He's just gonna stay here. You wanna go help Daisy? Oh my goodness. You sleeping, buddy? Yeah. You wanna look here and say cheese? Ready? Say cheese. Aww. All right, can you tell Daisy thank you? Aww, can you blow her kisses? So sweet. Aw, she says she loves you. Thanks, Daisy. Bye. Feel good?
Just wearing this shirt.
Yeah. Yeah. Gonna get your swimsuit on? We're ready to go? All right, we're back. We're refreshed. Everybody, including myself, and I am one that does not nap. I took a nap. That's huge. So we were all so tired. How long did he nap? Like over an hour? He napped.
A little over an hour.
Yeah, a little over an hour. We napped about like a half hour, so it feels so good to, you know, just be refreshed. And now we're gonna head on into EPCOT, get something to eat. John is hungry. Pizza? You're gonna get pizza?
I don't know. Probably.
Pizza? Yeah. Yeah. So hopefully it cools down here in a little bit. It is supposed to cool down. It's just go down to like 80. So that would be lovely. So then it'd be more comfortable for us to walk around and not sweat so much. And then we're gonna plan on getting ice cream later at the boardwalk. So we're so excited to do that. All right, so we made a last minute decision to come in to La Hacienda de San Angel because we love it so much here. It's so good. And we were just like, you know what? We're gonna sit and we're gonna eat dinner in the air conditioning. And like, it was so nice because we just got seated and got right in. Didn't have to wait at all. So, love it. So excited. Can't wait to eat. Huh? What do you want to eat? What do you give dinner?
Oh, a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
Yep.
Not more?
No.
No, okay. All right. No, it was very good. It was very delicious. So now we said we're gonna, I think, just hop on Frozen because it's not, I think it was like a 45-minute wait last time I looked.
That'd be perfect.
Yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. And then I told the boys that I saw something on Instagram. Actually, we're gonna go do that first. We're gonna go in the gift shop.
Where is that? It's over there, right?
It's right over in here somewhere.
Should I park and show her?
Yeah, I guess we could and then just walk over. So we have to cover the stroller because it does look like it's gonna rain, but it feels good outside.
It does.
That's what's nice. It's like cooling it down, but that's why like you want the storm. So we're waiting in line for Frozen. I really wanted one of these. I'm so excited. It's like, come on. Can't wait to put him on my desk while I work. He's so cute. I love it. It's in the Norway Pavilion. Over that way, if you go in the gift shop there.
Do not play with
Go ahead and grab them. They have like little sizes and big sizes, but I really like mine because he had a little flower crown on him. I thought he was so cute. I love him. Come on, bud. Okay, so we got off Frozen, and outside it was like absolutely downpouring. Like we had the rain cover on the stroller and everything, but like it got soaked.
There's still a little puddle in there.
Here.
You're not very dumped it.
We have some water in there. Some water for later. And look at this giant, there's like a giant puddle up here too. Yeah, you can go that way, yeah, but I mean, it's crazy. It's like a big swimming pool, so.
Yeah.
We are, I think, pretty much spent for EPCOT. We're kind of.
Bad move.
Bad move, oh no!
Turn around.
Turn around, turn around. Turn around. All right, so we're pretty much spent for EPCOT.